Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Olivia here at Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video we're going to create a DIY Dollar Tree French shabby chic farmhouse floral arrangement. I'm also going to share with you guys some tips and tricks for how you guys can make your home boutique gorgeous on a budget just by slip covering your sofa with some blankets that you might have laying around your house, and also creating some really cute chair sashes. I use these on my Easter table and a lot of you guys asked me about them, so I'm going to share with you guys how I went about doing that. So excited to bring you guys along with me. You know I love to decorate for every season, and so this is going to be another exciting adventure. Okay you guys, now it is time to take down my Easter mantle. I will be putting up a new floral for the next couple of months. So this is quite a display. I've loved it, but it's time for a change. You guys know I love a fresh new beginning for every season, and I loved Easter and I had so much fun with Easter, but it's definitely time for something new. So I'm going to start by taking down my bunny banner, and I just have a box that I'm going to throw all of my florals in, and then I'll pack up my little Easter decor in a separate container. So again, I just have one of actually my Grove Collaborative boxes, and I'm putting the garland to the side, and then I'll pick the florals out kind of piece by piece. So I'll start with my larger pieces, and I'm just going to stand everything up in here because I will be redoing and reusing these florals, so I don't want them to get damaged. And these are Dollar Tree florals, except for the big pretty pink roses. Those I found at TJ Maxx. And I actually had these held down in the back because my mantle is so short with these little dumbbells. So anywho. Now I just have my moss, and I'm going to put this in with the rest of my gardeny florals as well. So I am going to vacuum everything first because all of that spring moss, you guys, made a huge disaster, and it needs to be vacuumed, and then we're going to spray everything down. I do want to share with you the Grove Collaborative Spring Cleaning Caddy. It's absolutely adorable with the little wildflowers on it. And I do have a 5-piece free gift set with a $20 purchase link down below. I am in love, over the moon with their spring scents. Definitely try the peony in the cute pink bottle, and the purple lilacs are my faves right now. Okay, so we are going to redo my mantle, and I'm just using my Dollar Tree. I just painted this white, and I have some styrofoam in there. You can see I've reused this. So for this Dollar Tree floral, I'm going to reuse all of the florals that you saw me take out of my Easter floral arrangement. I'm going for a very French country relaxed vibe with this one, a little bit more understated, although this might just be the mantle of the week. So next week it may completely change. So I'm just adding in some Dollar Tree white florals, and then some of that lavender that I picked up at Walmart for 99 cents a bundle. So I did trim down these taller white flowers because I don't want this one to be quite as tall as the last one. So for this arrangement, again, I just used a lot of whites and the pale purple. So I'm adding in some white tulips. I also added in some white Dollar Tree roses. This entire arrangement is all Dollar Tree florals. I really want a very clean white palette. I also want this arrangement to be movable for now. Again, I will probably be changing this, but I want it to be a little bit understated just to kind of brighten and freshen everything up. I'm going for a French country farmhouse shabby chic vibe here. I did a really over-the-top arrangement for Easter, which I absolutely loved, but I do want to work in some tulips. I really have my eye on tulips for this upcoming next season. I'm even thinking about doing a tulip wreath. I see them on Pinterest all the time. Comment and let me know if you will be interested in attempting one of those really beautiful tulip wreaths, and also if you guys know any of the stores that have really great deals on tulips. Now you can see me adding those really beautiful white books that we had painted white a couple of DIYs back, and I added that French script lettering, and then I just added in these really cute little tulips that I found at the thrift store. It was 75 cents for this beautiful floral, and then I added that really pretty vintage candelabra over to the side, and I'm really loving this. Okay, it's just very soft and very sweet and very French country shabby chic and very clean feeling. And also up above over by my mirror, I do have those vintage kind of candelabra pieces, and then the Victorian lady and gentleman on either side of the mirror. So a lot of you all thought that I purchased a new sofa when I did my spring home tour. Actually, I just took a blanket and I covered it. It's just a fun way to create kind of a shabby chic look without spending a lot of money. Eventually, I do want to get a slipcover for this sofa, or even purchase a new sofa in more shabby chic colors, but I'm going to share with you guys how I quickly fake slipcover my sofa. So here is how I create a faux slipcover for my sofa. I have a really large blanket that I found at a resale shop, and so I just take the long end of the blanket and I throw it over my sofa, and this isn't even in perfect shape, but I'm just going to throw it over my sofa, and what I want to do is leave it kind of about the length of the bottom of this wood trim, because you want kind of the longer end to be on the back part of the sofa so it doesn't slip off. Okay, and then once I have it where the blanket is kind of coming down right here, and you can even go about slip covering it with 2 blankets if you want to, that would work as well. So the way I do it is I just go ahead and push it down right here in the cracks, and that will get it to hold on really well on the sides, and then you can just kind of tuck it around the bottom here. And this is just a fast, easy way to slip cover your sofa without spending any money, which I love. Okay, and then if you want to, you guys can go around this side, and you can take this side edge and tuck that in as well. And then to continue the appearance, I like to just go ahead and put a blanket on this end and then tuck that in. And there you have your fake slip-covered sofa. Another way you can slip cover your sofa is you can use 2 blankets. So I'm going to share with you guys how to do that process as well. So I'm just going to take this smaller cream colored blanket and I'm going to tuck this one in here. And you can even pull your couch cushions out just a little bit so you can get a good tuck. And then I'm going to see how far down this blanket goes. It's not a super long blanket, so I'm just going to tuck it in a little bit there. And this time I'm going to go long ways with this blanket. Then you can go ahead and push them in. And again, come around the back. And then for the end blanket, you can kind of take and just drape it over like so, and then add another pillow. So the next thing I want to do is add just some ribbon to my chairs. So this is actually from burlapfabric.com, and I do have a $5 off coupon. I'll link down below, but I think they're one size fits all. And so you just want to take your piece of fabric, and the way that I did it, I felt like it worked really well. I had everybody over for Easter dinner and they stayed on really nice. These would be great for weddings, for any event really. But I just thought that they looked so cute on my chairs. I'm actually going to keep them up for a while and see what I think. So you just kind of get them to a spot on your chair that you think will work, and then you're going to tie this first part really tight. So I tied the first part really tight, and then I made another knot, and that's going to keep it from sliding up and down your chair, and also give you a place for you to tie your bow. And I really was excited for how cute these came out. And then you just take and you tie a bow like you would be tying your shoelace. So you come up with this loop, you've got it held with your thumb, you're going to wrap it around and then push it through that little knot spot right there. And then I just kind of tighten mine, and then you're just going to fan this part out. And you have this cute little bow. And I wasn't even perfect with how I tied all of them, so they're a little bit different lengths on the other chairs. But I thought this was super cute and made it feel really shabby chic, French farmhouse, very festive. So thank you all so much for joining me on this DIY decorating adventure. I hope you guys learned some fun tips and tricks on how you can create a beautiful space and create a beautiful home on a teeny tiny budget. I just want to thank you for all of the kind comments that you all left me on my last DIY video where my daughter and I created some fake cakes. You guys are so kind. I've read so many of your comments to her, and your love and support truly and truly means the world. And also for all of you guys who have ordered through my Growth Collaborative link, thank you so much. It really means so much. It helps my channel out, and I truly thank you. If you guys don't know what Growth Collaborative is, it's an amazing online subscription to some really great cleaning products. If you guys want your home to smell yummy and delicious, I love to use Growth Collaborative products. My shout out of the day goes to Patty Price. Thank you so much for your love and support, and thank you guys to all of you guys who just pop on here, love on me. You guys, it's just so amazing. This community is so kind. So I also want to thank everyone who is recreating these DIYs and sharing them on my social media pages. I do have an Olivia's Romantic Home Instagram, and I also have an Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook group page. I would love for you guys to check those out. Please share your products with me. I'd love to see what you're up to. Also check out my Instagram stories because I will be featuring some of you guys DIYs there. So thank you all so much. I cannot wait for the next video. I have so many DIYs planned for you guys, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.